Today we're going to learn how to change the language. From the home screen, swipe up or down to access the app screen. Touch Settings. Swipe to and touch General Management. Touch Language and Input. Touch Language. Touch Add Language. Touch the desired language. From this example, touch Español. Touch Keep Current to keep English as the default language. Touch Back. To turn on, add, download additional languages for your keyboard, touch On-Screen Keyboard. Touch Samsung Keyboard. Touch Languages and Types. Touch Manage Input Languages. Review the legal information and then touch Update. Touch the slider next to the desired language. For this example, touch the slider next to Español US. For an example of how to switch languages while using a keyboard, navigate to an app that uses a keyboard, such as the Messages app. To switch languages, swipe the spacebar to the left or right. You have completed these steps. You got it. Follow me for more instructions. Bye.